It's a rainy morning going to badminton court today. Today's tournament. This is the badminton hall that we're playing at. It's also parquet floor, but it's good, it's good. It's done playing with our first game, and it was a grueling third set. I tell you, it was grueling. My back is aching now. Luckily, we won. But I guess the opponents, we lost the first set, however the second set, and made a run. But during the third set, it was really even during the midway point, but then good thing we got out of the way later in the game, and then we tried to make a comeback, and we had to finish strong. Hey, so I got out of the badminton hall already, so that means we're out of the competition. We played our last game, and our opponents were just too freaking good. They were actually the champions last year, so I didn't expect them to be, well, I should have expected them to be that good. It's just like you're playing against a machine gun, and then all the shuttlecocks coming at you were at top speed. But yeah, we played a good game actually. Not too bad. There were a couple of times we led in the game in some stretches, but like I said, they were really just good. I think in the Philippines, if they could be playing there, they'd be sure level A. And me and my partner, probably would be at a lower level than them for sure. But then it's just how it is here. There's no leveling, or there's nothing. It's just everyone gets to play with each other. So I guess that's good. Good experience. Yeah, so I'm going home now, waiting for my taxi cab. And here, as you can see, it's I don't know if you can see clearly. It's a hockey stadium, field hockey stadium here. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very well maintained. This is a Complex Sukan Sports. So I guess my cab is here. My old cab.